She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and make a easy potato green bean salad. But this potato green bean salad is going to be filled with delicious herbs and flavors that you may not have had in a potato salad before, or maybe you have. So these are the ingredients that we will be using for this quick and easy yet delicious little simple potato salad. We've got some potatoes, green beans, Greek yogurt, some Dijon mustard, lemon, olive oil, and then our herbs such as dill, parsley, chives, and salt and pepper. But with these ingredients, you guys, trust me, it's going to make a flavorful potato salad that might be one of your new go-tos. So if you guys are ready for this recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. And also drop me a comment down below. Share the video out. Appreciate that, you guys. And if you are not subscribed yet to the channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started.
I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, honey, don't kill my vibe. I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, honey, don't kill my vibe. I'm gonna party until I drop. When I begin, I don't know how to stop. I can party on till the morning comes, till the sun goes up. We don't stop, no. I see you looking at me, but you don't stand a chance, you see. You don't know how to act. I'm looking for class. Can you please take a step back? I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, honey, don't kill my vibe. I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, honey, don't kill my vibe. I'm gonna party until I drop. I'm not looking for love, I'm looking for fun. Just because I have on skin tight jeans doesn't mean I need a man to save me. I do it all for fun. Looking hot in my 501s. Don't you know I tease? I'm not here to please, but you're way too dumb to see. Hey stupid, you think I want you just because I am a woman. Hey stupid, I don't want you, I don't want you. Hey stupid, I do it all for fun. Looking hot in my 501s. Don't you know I tease? I'm not here to please, but you're way too dumb to see. I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, honey, don't kill my vibe. I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, honey, don't kill my vibe. I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild.
Alright guys, so here is the final look at the potato and green bean salad. Again, this is a take on a potato salad made with potatoes, fresh green beans, and a homemade herb-alicious dressing. Guys, definitely give this one a try. It's light, it's easy, it's delicious, it's quick to whip up, and definitely is a lighter option on the regular potato salad. So hopefully you guys did enjoy all the flavors in today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever tried this type of potato salad before. Share the video out. Always appreciate that, guys. Thank you so much. And if you still haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also that bell so you're notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.
Kill my vibe. I will get my drink on tonight. I'ma get loose, get wild. If you're not in the mood right now, honey, don't kill my vibe.